YouTube, what's up? It's your boy S Dub. It is boredom killing time. Well, not this time. Really, it's just a little quickie, but hopefully it do cure your boredom. So I'm out, cutting some lawns, and I see a guy downloading some trash to his curb. He was an older gentleman, so I went, being the nice, awesome dude that I am, I went to help him out. Look out for, karma, pay it forward. So I help him out, and it's a refrigerator, a deep freezer, and two Honda XR 75s, 4-speed manuals with their original motors. Both engines are locked up, and both of the dirt bikes need work, but still, they were free. So I got a lot of projects ahead of those, so there's gonna be a while. But I figured I'd just give y'all an update on one of the little, as I call it, the curbside mall finds. These are 6 or 7 of 75, 1976. You see, your boy stayed busy. While I was downloading these dirt bikes, a gentleman brought these 2 mowers that he needs fixed and a leaf blower. So I got some more videos coming. Here's the second one. All right, well, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.